Hey!
Hey! Now we're outside, and once we're outside, we are going to set up our GPS system. First things first, Hanno, my right assistant, on the left side, sorry, left side assistant. Okay. Almost. The 2 meter
Here,
carbon rod.
you are.
We are going to screw the both pieces together.
You need a screwdriver.
No screwdriver needed. And as you can see, the carbon rod is in one piece now. Second of all, I need the receiver. And there it is, like magically coming out of nowhere, the receiver. So what do I actually do? I'll put on the receiver before I even connect, nor I open up the tablet itself. So what I'll do, I'll press on the side the button, and once the lights are blinking, it means it is on. And as you can see, still I don't make any connection, I do not make any connection with the software. And now we have to make sure that the receiver is screwed on the rod. What I actually always say, make sure that you hold the receiver and don't try to screw it like that, because it can fall down.
Let's have a close-up.
So, I'll let the carbon rod do the job. Very easy, very slowly. It sounds like a really bad movie. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. It takes a little bit of time, and now it's on. And then of course the third thing, the tablet holder.
Here it is.
Thank you very much, my assistant. Make sure that you also see the, how do you call that in English, Hanno? The libelle? The level.
I have no idea.
Level. Once it's in center, it means your rod is horizontal. Okay. Make sure the tablet holder, what I really like, it means it's like on my face side, so I can look at the tablet very closely. And then, of course, number 4, the tablet itself.
Here it is.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Again.
Make sure, again, as what you see, I don't make any connection with my receiver. And also one more important thing, I am outside. Because the receiver will not receive any GPS signal whatsoever once you're inside the tablet. Make sure it is in the holder. It cannot drop out.
It cannot drop out.
So, what I'll do now, I'll turn on the rugged tablet. Ta-da!
That's it.
That's it. Watch the next video.